Human barricades. An army whisper in the police ear. Yes, they're looking for identity, I suppose. Why is everybody angry? This has been grueling, to tell the truth. Who governs us anyway? Who governs us anyway? Yes. The camera shy? That alter ego gives us spin on character. Do you love the laws that are set? Looking for change, are we? Always looking for change. Never look a gift horse in the mouth, society. Calling upon opinions. Lust for authority. Amongst the poor as well. A managerial role. To get your teeth into. As it goes to the gangs, the managerial role. To get all tooled up with. To get those shooters out, baby. Shoot to kill policy. In a zero tolerance society. It begs a question. Doesn't it just? Bloodsport for variety. Variety club ruled by society's media. Don't go channel hopping, baby.